Why you must learn BSL. This section will discuss the importance of BSL in our lives, why you should choose to learn it, and why BSL should be taught in schools. You might think that since BSL is an isolated language, the need for learning it is quite situational. But that's not the case. The population of the world is only going to increase in the future, not the other way around. That means more people will add to the total member count in the deaf and hard of hearing community. In the UK, the number of adults with hearing loss is 12 million. It's equivalent to 1 in 5 adults. This number will grow to 14.2 million by 2035. More than 40% of people over 50 years old have hearing loss in the UK, rising to more than 70% of people over the age of 70. You can already see how serious the issue is. Roughly 4.37% of the total population of the UK uses BSL currently. This is a massive rise in contrast to just a decade ago. So awareness of the need to learn sign language is rising steadily. The pace just needs to be a little faster. However, it's still understandable if you doubt if sign language skills will come in handy for you ever. Let's talk about that. It's not that only a loved one can put you in a situation where you'd think that knowing sign language would have been beneficial. There are several other scenarios too. I'm going to discuss them here now.